Today we are going to discuss important MCQ questions and answer with explanation related to ecology and environment. So first of all, which one is not a pollutant normally? First option hydrocarbon, second carbon dioxide, third carbon monoxide, and fourth sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. The common gaseous pollutants are oxides of carbon, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur. All these together contribute 90% of the global air pollution. Out of all these, carbon dioxide is not a pollutant normally. The green plants by photosynthesis balance the carbon dioxide and oxygen ratios in the air to a great extent, whereas others like carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, etc. are poisonous gases. Second question is, which of the following is not a primary greenhouse gas found in the Earth's atmosphere? Option A, carbon dioxide, option B, methane, option C, water vapor, and option D, nitrogen oxides. And the correct answer is nitrogen oxide. A greenhouse gas is a gas in an atmosphere that absorbs and emits radiation within the thermal infrared range. The primary greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Nitrogen oxides act as indirect greenhouse gases by producing the tropospheric greenhouse gas ozone via photochemical reactions in the atmosphere. Third question is, upper part of sea or aquatic ecosystem contains option A, plankton, option B, nekton, option C, plankton and nekton, and option D, benthos. And the correct answer is plankton. Number 4 question is, which of the following work as bioindicator of environmental pollution? Option A, diatoms, option B, coral reefs, option C, fishes, and option D, lichens. And the correct answer is lichens. Lichens are very sensitive to air pollution and water pollution. Areas with healthy lichen populations are lower in air pollution and water pollution. Lichens can thus be used as reliable biological indicators of pollution. And the fifth question is, in an ecosystem, which one shows one-way passage? Option A, free energy, option B, carbon, option C, nitrogen, and option D, potassium. And the correct answer is free energy. The behavior of energy in ecosystem can be termed energy flow due to unidirectional flow of energy. Flow of energy is only in one direction, that is from solar radiation to producer to herbivores and to carnivores. This energy cannot pass in the reverse direction. There is decrease in the content and flow of energy with rise in trophic level. Sixth question is, greenhouse effect is warming due to infrared rays reaching earth, moisture layer in atmosphere, increase in temperature due to increase in carbon dioxide concentration of atmosphere, or ozone layer of atmosphere. And the correct answer is increase in temperature due to increase in carbon dioxide concentration of atmosphere. Next question is, the number of which among the following would be maximum in a food chain? Option A, producer. Option B, primary consumer. Option C, secondary consumer. And option D, decomposers. And the correct answer is decomposers. Decomposers make up the final trophic level in a food chain. Decomposers are the organisms that feed on dead organic matter called detritus of all the trophic level and help in recycling the nutrients. Examples of decomposers are bacteria, fungi, mites, earthworms, crabs, mollusks, etc. Next question is, lichens, which are capable of initiating ecological succession even on a bare rock, are actually a symbiotic association of option A, algae and bacteria, algae and fungi, bacteria and fungi, fungi and mosses. And the correct answer is algae and fungi. A lichen is a composite organism consisting of a fungus and a photosynthetic partner growing together in a symbiotic relationship. Next question is, major aerosol pollutant in jet plane emission is sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, or fluorocarbon. And the correct answer is fluorocarbon. Aerosols are chlorofluorohydrocarbon compounds released into air with force in the form of vapor. Main source of aerosols in the emission of jet planes where the fluorocarbons are used. These chlorofluorocarbons deplete the ozone layer in the higher atmosphere. These CFCs have produced a hole in the ozone layer. Next question is, what does contain red data book? Astrology, endangered wild plants and animals, communism facts, or endangered forest? And the correct answer is endangered wild plants and animals. Next question is, pyramid of numbers in a grassland or tree ecosystem. Always inverted, always upright, both inverted and upright, or spindle shaped. And the correct and the correct answer is always upright. Next question is, domestic waste constitute non-biodegradable pollution, biodegradable pollution, effluents, or air pollution? And the correct answer is biodegradable pollution. Domestic waste constitute biodegradable pollution. These are also called non-conservative pollutants. These are decomposed chemically or by activity of microorganisms into harmless products and are recycled back into the atmosphere. Next question is, acid rain is due to increase in atmospheric concentration of option A, ozone and dust, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. And the correct answer is option D, that is sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Next question is, Red Data Book is published by United Nations Environment Programme, World Wildlife Fund, World Environment Facility, or International Union for the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. And the correct answer is International Union for the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Next question is, food chain in which microorganisms break down the food formed by primary producers is parasitic food chain, detritus food chain, consumer food chain, or predator food chain. And the correct answer is detritus food chain. Next is, American water plant that has become a troublesome water weed in India. Option A, Cyperus rotundans, Eichhornia crassipus. Option C, Typha latifolia. And option D, Trappa bispinosa. And the correct answer is Eichhornia crassipus. Next question, the sum total of the population of the same kind of organism constitute option A, colony, option B, genus, option C, community, and option D, species. And the correct answer is species. A species is a group of individuals of same kind of phenotypic characters and can interbreed. Association of animals when both partners are benefited. Option A, colony, option B, mutualism, option C, commensalism, and option D, amensalism. And the correct answer is mutualism. Next question is, pyramid of numbers deals with the number of species in an area. Option B, individuals in a community. Option C, individuals in a tropic level. And option D, subspecies in a community. And the correct answer is individuals in a community. And today the last question is, pyramid of numbers in a pond ecosystem is irregular, inverted, option C, upright, and option D, spindle shaped. And the correct answer is upright. That means pyramid of numbers in a pond ecosystem is always upright. आपको अगर इस क्वेश्चन से और आंसर और एक्सप्लेनेशन से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरीज या डाउट है तो प्लीज़ आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए, मैं ज़रूर उसका आंसर देने में कोशिश करूँगी। और आपको अगर किसी और तरीके का या और सब्जेक्ट या पोर्शन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए तो प्लीज़ वो भी मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर सकते हैं, मैं ज़रूर कोशिश करूँगी आप लोगों का क्वेश्चन आंसर दे। इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज और डाउट related to this topic or other topic, please do the comment in comment section. I will be reply as soon as possible.